University of Education Winneba, ICT Department. Course title: ICT 113, Foundations of Educational and Instructional Technologies. Lecturer: Emmanuel Fon Tata. Student: Francis Forson. Index number 5151570-121. Assignment 1: a lesson plan on a topic in ICT, dated 28th of the 9th month 2015. Computer hardware. Objectives: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to define computer and computer hardware, state the types of computer hardware, classify them as input, output, and storage devices, explain how the CPU works. Computer is an electronic device which accepts data, that's raw facts, processes the data, stores and produces the result as information under the control of an installed program. Thus, it accepts input, processes it into information, and brings out the result as output. Computer hardware. Types of computer hardware. We have input devices, output devices, system units, storage devices, communication devices. Computer hardware. Computer hardware are the physical parts of a computer that can be seen and touched. They are of two categories: internal hardware devices, known as components, include hard disks, memory, motherboards. The external hardware devices, also known as peripheral, also include keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer, scanner. Input devices. Any external device or peripheral that can be used to input data into the computer. We have so many types, include scanner, keyboard, mouse, joystick, digitizer, barcode reader, microphone. Output devices. It is the computer hardware used to produce the results of a processed data. LCD projectors, monitors, printers. The system unit. The system unit houses the motherboard, the CPU, the memory, the power supply, and other devices. CPU, known as Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It follows and installed instructions, that's software, to manipulate data into information. It is made up of the following: the control unit, the arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. Operation of CPU parts. Control unit. The control unit receives the data, manipulates data into information. If there is any mathematical operation in the data, it sends that part to the ALU to process it. The result is sent back to the control unit to show the output. Arithmetic and logical unit manipulate the operations in the data, that's the mathematical operations. Storage devices. They are used to store information. We have primary storage devices, secondary storage devices. Primary storage devices. We have the internal memory, which is directly accessible to the CPU. RAM, the random access memory. ROM, the read-only memory. Secondary storage devices. They are not directly accessible to the CPU. We have hard disks, flash drive, flash memory, floppy disks, and magnetic tape. This has brought us to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about computer and computer hardwares. We made mention of some of the types of the computer hardwares we have, which includes input, output, and secondary devices. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Madam, what's